today, it's the day that we are sitting in our own Porsche 992 GTS, and we want to find out how fast this car goes on the Autobahn for a very simple reason, because we have driven a GTS, but that was an all-wheel drive Carrera 4 GTS. Ours is the Carrera 2 GTS, so this is the most lightweight version without the lift function, without the rear axle steering, with the low suspension, the GTS suspension, and of course we have the aero kit. So this is probably, despite the lightweight pack, the most lightweight and performant GTS that you can get. And we want to find out if this car is faster than the Carrera 4 GTS on the Autobahn that we have tested in 100 to 200 runs. And of course also we want to find out if it might even be faster than a GT3 RS in a straight line. Yeah, without further talking, we put it into Sport Plus. That's all you need to do, and find out. This is not supposed to be shutting down. Find out how fast it is. Oh, the traction is just simply immense. I mean, we're driving a rear-wheel drive car, and it corners and has traction like a four-wheel drive car. That's simply amazing. It's not, let's say, super warm today, and the tires can be warmed up even more. So even under those medium conditions, blisteringly fast and perfect traction. .69, that's a 10th fast already. Let's see if we can beat that. Beaten the number again, 7.5 seconds, 100 to 200, and 3.40 to 100 in rear-wheel drive mode is unbelievable. I'm repeating myself, but this is a lot more than I expected. So one more thing I want to try out is that we have this boost mode here. If I press that button, there's a boost for I think around 10 seconds that gives you more power and pull through, and I want to find out if we can really, let's say, lower the time on the device using that mode, or if it's just the same as being, let's say, doing a kickdown. Let's see. We have seen some very good times. Sport response actually does not make the car faster. We had a 7.5 again, because I think that's probably the fastest the car can go, which is still astonishing, and also answers the question that to my knowledge that is faster than the recent 992 GT3 RS. That's also faster than the regular GT3. Actually the previous generation 991.2 GT3 RS, I think we measured that car with the 7.3 or 7.4, but it's probably also about the same speed, so that's pretty astonishing. Of course a turbo and a Turbo S is faster than that, but nevertheless I think yeah, very astonishing package. What you get for 480 HP, what you get for the money also, if you're frank, because I mean it's a lot cheaper than a lot of other GT cars and Porsche cars in that range that do that speed. It's a significant step up in speed and in emotion compared to a regular Carrera S, which is not a regular car actually, but it's already a special car. And yeah, specifically in the spec, I love the car with that aero kit and the crayon paint. yeah, really looking forward to some more kilometers with the car. Hopefully a bit more this season, but of course winter is around the corner. Yeah, let's talk to you in the next video.